Hello traders and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rhymes. Today's date, December 18, 2013. Please check out hitthemarktrading.com, find out how we teach trend and momentum. While you're there, go to the contacts page and you have the opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. This is my early morning email that I send to clients. I'd like to send it to you too. Basically, I look at the news wires, look at the fundamental news, and I look at the charts. And if it's something we've been working on, then I make mention of it. Otherwise, just a general review, kind of geared to the day trader too. All right. Remember, everything that I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Let's take a look at the charts. Boy, you got to just, you got to love these currency traders. You talk about the ultimate nervousness. Look at this. Just incredible, huh? So this is, let's see, this is like a big drop at 1:59 Eastern Standard, followed by a rocket launch at 2 o'clock, right? Just this herky-jerky. And then once it gets up there, they immediately start taking profits. Come to the floor pivot, and then pop goes the weasel again, okay? So it's, it's one of those rare days, really, for US dollar index. An event day. All right, notice how the R3 held the move. So let's just take a look at the daily chart, because I think there's going to be something very interesting to show you. Okay, we have looked at the 79,500 level, and I've been talking about it until I'm blue in the face, that we have an expectation of touching and moving back up. Well, hey, we got that big time. Okay, so anyone who had been following along here, you should know that that was a potential reversal area. I don't know how I could have explained it more. Now we're up to the 34 exponential moving average, and I'm just going to draw this over here. The big deal now, is if we break through the top, okay? Otherwise, a move to 81 seems in the cards, okay? All right. The other thing we're looking at, let me see if I can make this a little larger. Okay, we broke, this is a signal here, breaking the horizontal line, and now we're ready to break this line right here. That's kind of a big deal. That'll push us up here. So again, breaking the channel line is what we're looking for. Now let's just check out the weekly. What the weekly shows is that, hey, no surprise, the trend line held, 79,500 held, and we are looking like we want to break a diagonal trend line on this weekly chart. So what we'd like to see is, it looks like we're going to go up to the 34 exponential moving average. I'm going to make another little marker right here, and I would feel very confident on a close over this that we're heading all the way back up, okay? All right, now let's go back to the daily, one last look. Okay, still just within these channel lines, so don't get too excited. These things can turn on a dime, but once we break that, that is a big deal, okay? Good. All right, now let's go to the intraday. All right, so we have floor pivots. Let me see if I can find them. Okay. Here's the main floor pivot. I'm going to highlight this. Okay. So I would not be surprised if we dipped down before we continued the run higher. Okay. Would not be surprised. Can we go lower? Absolutely. But it seems like first we're going to go to 34 EMA right here. And then if 34 EMA holds and we move up, that's very, very, very strong signal. If we dip down here and move higher, again, a good strong signal if we clear 34. Okay? Considering this trend, I'm thinking we'll just touch this and pop up. Okay? Now listen, today was basically your knee-jerk action move. Tomorrow is your reaction to the action. Now intraday, what happened was we had this immediate action popping it up and falling back. And then finally, once it fell back, this is the reaction to all of this. This was like, okay, we're ready. Let's take it up now. Okay? Market loves what the Fed said. Okay, I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.